can never arrive here. You can never. It takes one bad Friday to be pulled down.
कुछ होता है आपके अंदर जो आपको सुबह उठाता है कि आज जाके कुछ मजा आएगा काम पे.
There is no end to validation, right? Like today, your validation is I want 100k likes on my picture. Somebody else's validation is I don't even want to be on Instagram.
I don't know, attracting such roles for yourself, or are those roles just
Yeah,
naturally
I used to say
gravitating
this
to you?
most of the times. कि हाँ यार, I can dance. I want something like that.
But I think as a character, as a person, that's a really interesting quality to have. And I feel like my character in Rang De had that.
हाथीराम के वो रिश्ते जो उसके साथ है, जितनी ऑनेस्टी के साथ लोग उसका समझते हैं उसको, एंड द ऑनेस्टी ऑफ हाथीराम इटसेल्फ के आई डोंट नो आई विल मेक एनी चेंज बट आई विल स्टिल डू माय जॉब.
I feel like you can never arrive in this industry. You're as good as you're today. Like whatever you are today morning, you're as good as that. Every day is a different day.
अच्छा काम मिल जाना जस्ट फ्रॉम द स्टार्ट, कहीं से कोई बैकड्रॉप नहीं है, कुछ कोई बैकअप नहीं है, कोई हेल्प करने वाला है, एंड सडनली you found yourself in a very good film.
Not having to struggle to do the kind of parts that I want to do.
Yeah.
You know, like I want to do this part and it can get commissioned. I think for me that will be satisfying enough.
Finding newness to yourself only. या फिर इतना बड़ा चेक है कि मेरी आंखें बंद हो जाए. मेरा वो फीलिंग बंद हो जाए कि अरे ठीक है जो भी है बढ़िया है, यहाँ जीरो काफी है.
The little experience that I've had of working with some of the biggest names, like say Mr. Bachchan. I've not worked with him, but like a little interaction also, or even Shah Rukh Khan for that matter. You'll never get this feeling from them where they'll come with the attitude that I've arrived.
But I've seen people जो बात कम करते हैं पर सबको पता है कि इनका साइलेंस भी हैवी है.
The
उनका
calmest
एक
people are
ऐसे
the
देखना भर,
strongest.
Yeah.
उनका ऐसे जेन्युइन ऐसे देखना भर भी लाइक किसी के लिए
Correct.
that is the real power.
Yeah. Hello everyone, this is Hesha Chima and you're tuned into Varinder Chawla's page. I'm in conversation with three people who are bringing to us Jewel Thief super soon, only on Netflix. Thank you so much guys for removing time and doing this. The trailer has dropped yesterday for everybody to watch, and there's been this glamification of Jaideep, which everybody has been talking about. I'm sure you might be fed up by now by listening to how many people are coming and tell you, what did you do? You danced so well, etc. However, what I want to ask you is that if you inherently always knew that you're a great dancer, then why is it that people took so long to bring this out in you?
I don't know. You should ask the people.
So somebody did bring it out. Why do you think that
नहीं,
happened?
बस बाई चांस नहीं हुआ शायद.
सब सीरियसली
ऐसा
आपको
कभी
रोल
हुआ
दे
नहीं
रहे
है.
थे.
और बाकी जगह ऐसा स्कोप कहीं मिला नहीं कि महाराज के टाइम पे ऐसा कुछ कर दूं, बट नॉट पॉसिबल. जाने जा में नहीं कर सकता था. Yeah,
But then is it that you are always, you know, like, I don't know, attracting such roles for yourself, or are those roles just naturally
yeah, I used to say
gravitating
this
to you?
most of the times कि हाँ यार, I can dance. I want something like that.
So did you
Why not
box
new
yourself?
Let's try that.
Okay, great. Good to know that you've actually done it for yourself, and I'm happy. And I hope you talk more today with me, because it's getting very difficult to get Jaideep to answer. But anyways, moving on. I want to ask the both of you all this: when you're doing a project like Jewel Thief, right? And it's not something that a film does not have an ensemble cast, right? It's always there. कभी ये हो, कभी वो, कभी standard होता है, नहीं होता है. मुझे जानना है आप दोनों से specifically, when you're picking a project like this one, let's say hypothetically, what is that 2 or 3 things that are absolute non-negotiables, irrespective whether you're carrying the entire film on yourself or whether you're just playing a very solid role or a part? Like, what are your 2 non-negotiables then?
One is the relatability. Doesn't matter if you belong to the world or not. Are you connecting with it as an audience because you read it first?
Right.
And second is what is your character doing in it? Yeah, I guess these are 2 non-negotiable things.
Okay.
Then of course comes the rest of it, that who's making it and how's it come. Like those are all secondary things. I guess these are the first 2 things that you look at.
Are you also interested in knowing about what other characters are doing?
Again, as I said, that's a part of the story. All this comes later. The
Okay.
first 2 non-negotiables, as you said, is this.
All right. What for you, Kunal?
पैसे कितने मिल रहे हैं?
I agree.
Oh, listen, that's very honest, yeah.
नहीं,
Good.
नहीं. I mean,
Secondary, na?
secondary, the primary thing, of course, is the script.
Yeah.
Second is what character are you playing, and thirdly, who's making the film, right? Because I mean, sometimes you could get a script that's really, really good, and it's not made by the right people, and then it doesn't doesn't get released.
Right.
And it's really heartbreaking because you're like, wow, that was a really good script and never saw the light of day, right? And then sometimes something that seems pretty ordinary, but in the right hands can become magical, right?
Right.
So I think it's a combination of multiple things. I don't think it's, you zero down and say that I will not negotiate on this. I think it's a feeling that you get when you read a script. You're like, I'd like to be part of that, or I'd like to play that character. And yeah, I think it's a combination of multiple things that come together.
I guess there's some things you're still okay to compromise on, say, as you said, the money, yes. Because if at all there is somebody you really want to work with, you may be okay not negotiating so
Correct.
much. Yeah, like that's not like a non-negotiable.
Okay.
Yeah.
Jaideep, what for you?
I think when you go on a set, when you go on work, you have to have a motive. You have something to go there. कुछ होता है आपके अंदर जो आपको सुबह उठाता है कि आज जाके कुछ मजा आएगा काम पे. वो कुछ भी हो सकता है, जैसे भाई ने बोला कि you can't zero down to one thing. There is something happening inside you when you are doing a job. And every day you know कि कल ये सीन शूट होने वाले हैं, कल ये होने वाला है. Your mind is constantly कि मजा आएगा इसको करके, देखते हैं क्या होता है. So that feeling of finding newness to yourself only. या फिर इतना बड़ा चेक है कि मेरी आंखें बंद हो जाएं. मेरा वो फीलिंग बंद हो जाए कि अरे ठीक है जो भी है बढ़िया है, यहाँ जीरो काफी है.
होता है ना कभी-कभी money does
एक
play.
मोटिवेशन तो होना चाहिए.
Yeah,
कुछ
I
काम
agree.
मन के लिए, कुछ
बिस्तर से
धन
उठ
के
के
लिए.
जाने.
correct.
That's very well said, huh?
क्या?
Nikita?
What?
She
कुछ
said-
काम मन के लिए, कुछ धन के लिए.
बिल्कुल.
Yeah, जी.
Wow.
Okay. If I were to ask you all, चलो अपनी filmography ही ले लो आप लोग. You from all the time you started from whichever role you've done, right? In your case specifically, if you all could steal one things from your character that you never want to let go of, what would that be? And what character would that specifically be?
I think the character I played in Kabir Singh is of this of this like top heroine. I want to steal that and never let go of it.
Yeah, be like that's it.
Yeah,
This is
that's
my
it.
thing.
Like arrived right
Okay,
there.
super
Yeah.
cool. What about you, Kunal?
Well, I've been complaining about it actually. Ever since Rang De Basanti, I've been saying that the only characters that I get offered are the peacemakers, right? He's the guy who's the moderator, who wants to bring people together. And as an actor, that gets a little boring, the
Right.
poet, the philosopher and stuff. Because you're repeatedly just asked to play the same thing over and over again. But I think as a character, as a person, that's a really interesting quality to have. And I feel like my character in Rang De had that. In a world where everyone's constantly in this mode of aggression, it's nice to have somebody that can actually bring people together. And that's a quality that character had.
Yeah, that you could probably imbibe in your real life
Correct,
as well. Yeah,
correct,
sure. Okay.
correct.
Jaideep?
No, not that I have to imbibe it in my real life, but it's a characteristic
have.
that I admire. Yeah.
Okay. Jaideep, is there anything where you're damn detached कि नहीं चाहिए भाई इनसे कुछ भी?
नहीं,
चाहिए.
थोड़ा थोड़ा किसी में कुछ है ऐसा जो भी like a detachment and still emotional about things like Razi का Khalid Mir. हाथीराम के वो रिश्ते जो उसके साथ है, जितनी ऑनेस्टी के साथ लोग उसका समझते हैं उसको, एंड द ऑनेस्टी ऑफ हाथीराम इटसेल्फ के I don't know, I'll make any change, but I'll still do my job.
Honesty towards work.
Yeah, honesty towards the work. I don't know. It will change the society like he thinks, but he always want to know the truth for himself, because that's the job.
Okay.
So that quality of Hathiram and that quality of Khalid Mir
You probably
is
have.
really interesting.
You can correct me if I'm wrong, okay? But I feel like you sort of have this, क्या बोले उसे, uncanny ability to look terrifying without actually raising your voice. बिना किसी चिल्लम चिल्ली करे, you can really put that out in a scene, right? How do you sort of emote that with silence yet looking? मतलब अगर मुझे किसी को अपना power दिखाना तो मैं चिल्ला के ही दिखाऊंगी, but you can do that with just absolute stillness and calmness. How do you have you cracked that? Is what I want to know.
From life,
Really?
I have seen the most powerful man, the most silent man, because their anger can be really, really dangerous. From the game point of view, like the greatest boxers, the deadliest people who are MMA fighters, using their hands is an illegal thing, you know that. Because that hand is a weapon. It's a weapon, it actually can kill you. So the power always resides in less words. अगर बोलना ही पड़ गया तो फिर काहे बात की पावर है. I genuinely believe that. But I have seen people जो बात कम करते हैं पर सबको पता है कि इनका साइलेंस भी हैवी है.
The
उनका
calmest
एक
people are
ऐसे
the
देखना भर,
strongest.
Yeah.
Yeah.
उनका ऐसे genuinely ऐसे देखना भर भी like किसी के लिए
Correct.
that kind, that is the real power.
Yeah, and you do sort of depict that even on screen, which is great to know. Also, I have a question. This is the second time that you all are coming together, both you and Kunal. Why aren't you all ever paired against each other?
I don't know. I don't think
why
we-
is it that
talking
you all
about
are
it.
there in the same film but never doing anything together?
Forget being paired. I don't think anybody wants to put us in the same frame together. As
And
well.
why is that?
I have absolutely no idea.
Because I'm sure
So
that
I mean,
you think
we
you
were
don't
we were
have
talking
anything.
about the fact that the call sheets of this film. I'm always that cop that's always late, right? Like the 80s cops, where everything's done and then he sort of arrives. So the call sheets of the film would say 9 to 3 o'clock, Saif, Nikita, Jaideep.
Jaideep.
3:30 onwards, Kunal. So when they pack up, I'm the one that's coming on the set.
Right.
And when I pack up, they're the ones that are coming on the set.
Funnily,
So
we always had Kunal on set, but
but never
या तो
together.
आते हुए जाते हुए.
yeah.
वो भी हो रहा है, and you're never even like paired
Yeah.
with each other. I feel like
Yeah.
this is just happening, and that's why I'm like, yeah, पूछे like, how is it working together? But y'all are not working together. Y'all are just in projects
No,
together.
luckily we did
Correct.
chill together, which I
Yeah.
think is
And we did a song together.
yeah.
Right,
which is-
of course, which we're all like
we can make
tapping
peace
onto.
with that for now.
Yeah, maybe something else probably in the pipeline. Okay, tell me, for three of you all, I want to ask this. As a journalist, भी कभी-कभी मेरे साथ भी होता है कि I do feel like कि I have arrived or I'm yet to arrive. Like, and it's a very fluctuating moment for me. Okay, as actors individually, have you all ever had that moment that listen, yeah, okay, I've arrived now. Probably it did work in your favor. Maybe you all feel that you all are still on the way of it. Like, where are you all at with that? I have arrived, or this is my moment type.
I feel like you can never arrive in this industry. You're as good as you're today. Like whatever you are today morning, you're as good as that. Every day is a different day. Probably as good as your last film, if I have to put it in better words. Nobody arrives. Nobody.
Really?
I don't know. This is how I feel.
Yeah,
You
I
can
think
never
it's
arrive
true.
here. You can never. It takes one bad Friday to be pulled down. Yeah.
But then it also takes those 5 great films for you to get the good one thereafter, right?
Yeah, exactly. So the moment you start thinking that I'm the person now and I've arrived, I guess.
No.
Yeah, it doesn't work like that. If you and the little experience that I've had of working with some of the biggest names, like say Mr. Bachchan, I've not worked with him, but like a little interaction also, or even Shah Rukh Khan for that matter, you'll never get this feeling from them where they'll come with the attitude that I've arrived. They'll be like the first ones who'll be there. They'll be very cooperative. They deal with everybody around them with respect. They'll be so attentive towards whatever's being said. They'll be right there to give cues. This is not coming from a place where the person's sitting and thinking I've arrived and everything has to function according to me.
But let's detach the pride from it, but thinking more like from a validation point of view, which is more self-validation and internal. You feel that, हाँ ठीक है यार,
There
अच्छा
is
काम
no
किया.
end to validation, right? Like today, your validation is I want 100k likes on my picture. Somebody else's validation is I don't even want to be on Instagram. So there's it's a very self-created term, validation. You set your own parameters, what validates you.
And then as actors, what are you all seeking for validation? Sorry, I'm going in a debate, but I'm just very excited to know. What do you all seek?
She's saying, as actors, what are you sort of seeking, right? What is it that
Don't
you're
know.
looking
That's
for?
why we are
Yeah.
actors.
Really? You're seeking money partially. चलो ठीक है. पैसे तो हम
Why
सभी seek
partially?
कर रहे हैं.
Fully.
अच्छा fully. ठीक है.
See, being arrived है ना, literal sense है एक बड़ी ही क्या बोल सकते हैं उसको अपना साइकोलॉजिकल हो सकता है. एक अराइव्ड होता है कि आप खुद को कैसे जज करते हो दैट आई एम अराइव्ड. किसी के लिए अच्छा काम मिल जाना जस्ट फ्रॉम द स्टार्ट, कहीं से कोई बैकड्रॉप नहीं है, कोई बैकअप नहीं है, कोई हेल्प करने वाला है, एंड सडनली यू फाउंड योरसेल्फ इन अ वेरी गुड फिल्म एंड यू फील लाइक यस
I've arrived.
I'm doing, but maybe not arrived for the world. But I understand in a very literal sense that once you get out of that phase, कि यार फिर से ऑडिशन देना पड़ेगा, फिर से ऑडिशन देना पड़ेगा, जो कि हमारे यहाँ जिसको हम मानते हैं कि यार अब मैं उस फेज से बाहर आ गया हूँ. या आ गई हूँ. Now director will tell me कि अच्छा I want you if you like this part, or the producer will want you to this is what we are thinking, and if you like this part we are happy to have you. That is the literal sense of arriving in the industry.
Okay.
Otherwise, mentally, personally, subjectively, you will always have a different phases of life. When you will see, okay, now I think now I have, and it's वो मील का पत्थर है. वो जैसे ही एक आता है ना, एक और दूसरा दिखाई दे रहा होता है.
Mirage.
Greedy.
Mirage, Mirage.
वो है, पता है कि इसके बाद भी एक मील का पत्थर है. अभी ये दिख रहा है 400 किलोमीटर. इसके अगले पे 399 लिखा हुआ है. इट विल नेवर गो, लाइक वो कभी एंड नहीं होगा. वो मुझे लगता नहीं है किसी आर्टिस्ट की लाइफ में कभी एंड होगा, किसी की लाइफ में एंड होता है.
Yeah, I think, I mean, for me, arrived would be just, like you're saying, is not having to struggle to do the kind of parts that I want to do.
Yeah.
You know, like I want to do this part and it can get commissioned. I think for me that will be satisfying enough.
It's so satisfying.
It's not about like this has to make 500 crores now, or then I'll feel like I've arrived. It's like I find this story interesting, I find this character interesting. If I take it to a producer or director, they'll be like, okay, you know, you want to do this, let's go ahead with it. So I think that would be something that would be a good place to be in.
Sure.
But I think as an individual, you never really arrive.
You'll never be
anywhere, no?
satisfied in
And
life.
then
You
even
always
that
want
thing,
more.
that arriving thing can like might stay or might not stay.
Might go as well.
Yeah.
That is also a very bizarre
Subjective,
thing.
Yeah.
It's changing.
True.
Yeah.
Okay, on a lighter note, before I wrap this up, I have to ask you all, if supposing, for example, each of you all had a personal heist skill, right, what would that be? Would it be, who'd be the mastermind, who'd be the plotter, who'd be like the executor, distributor, what? How would it be? What
As
do
in
you
like
think
if you had
you'd
to
be?
divide roles
Yeah,
amongst
yeah,
ourselves.
like who would be like, I'll be the plotter, you'll be the executor, how would that be? Who you think
I think
would be?
Kunal will be a great plotter.
Yeah, I think I will.
Listen,
think
can I
will,
say something? Kunal will be a great distraction.
That
He'll
depends.
be very distracted. Kunal, हाँ, ठीक है, कर लो
If
यार,
that
चल
person
कर लो.
needs to be, yeah, it depends on who needs to be
आप
distracted.
करो चलो.
आप करो यार, नहीं देख रहे हैं हम लोग.
नहीं, मुझे लगता है फिर मैं प्लॉटर और मास्टरमाइंड मैं बन जाता हूँ.
Yeah.
Because they both can be like really easily
distractions.
Yeah.
distractions for different
आप
situations.
अपने आप को अंडरएस्टिमेट कर रहे हैं.
But
सबसे
आपको
बड़े
बस एक step करना
distraction.
पड़ेगा.
Can I tell you something? This whole dance move
That's
has
what I'm
turned out, he's broken the internet with
He's
it.
got to just do one step and there's enough
Yeah,
distraction.
Jaideep is like, sorry, what moves are you all talking about? Like, whatever. But no, yeah, like, on a serious note, like, what do you all think? Chalo, you'll take the distraction, you'll take the
No,
distraction.
I think I'll take the plotter. I love
Being the smart
really
one.
like thinking about stuff. So yeah, maybe the
Listen,
plotter.
Nikita, distracting is also a smart thing. Huh? Chalo, itna nahi hota hai.
हाँ, no, of course.
So, Sandy is the
I'm taking
plotter?
pride in it.
She can
I
be the
thought that was a
distraction.
no-brainer. I'll become the distractor.
You'll be the distractor.
Fully.
Okay, and
I'll
what
be-
are you?
I'll do
एक ही बच गया फिर.
Executor,
क्या?
हाँ.
Execution.
Execution
मतलब-
is Jaideep. Acha, have you all seen the Devanand Jewel film?
Yeah.
Jewel Thief.
Yeah.
Sorry. I'm wrapping it up. Okay. Have you guys seen Jewel Thief before? Because I've seen it.
Yeah, of course.
And I absolutely loved it. And now,
Yeah.
like, क्योंकि वो देखिए तो expectation इससे थोड़ी सी बढ़ गई है. I'm not putting all in
It has
pressure.
nothing to do with that.
Of course I know. Except the name, it has nothing to
Except
do.
the good music.
Yeah, and Jaideep's dance moves also. But great chatting with you guys. Also, curiosity on Ramayan. Do you want to set the record straight by any chance here?
Well, I'm in the film, but I mean, it's not something that I want to talk about right now because it's so far away, right?
Yeah.
And I still have to start shooting for it and stuff. So it's yeah. Obviously, I can't talk about it right
Of course,
now.
sure.
But yeah, it's
And that's
something.
Chiranjeevi also that you've already worked for in that film?
I finished that film. That's up for release as well in, I think, the next 4 or 5 weeks.
Okay.
That'll be exciting as well.
So 2025 has been great, and that's Jewel Thief as well. Thank you so much, everybody, for your
Thank
time.
you.
Looking
Thank you.
forward to
Thanks
the
so
film
much.
as well, and hope you all have a great day ahead.
Thank
Thank you,
you.
guys.
Thanks.
Thank you so
Thank you.
much.